Can't stand this waiting shit. Always the procrastination station. Back and forth pacing. Man, where these hoes at? Chill out, buddy boy, you hear me? You got no patience, dude. Fall back. I'm waiting on that call now. Then I'm gonna get in my bag, like the fries at the bottom. But dude, you sure them chicks bout it? Listen, dude, that's my word. The big bird, smoking herb on the curb on Friday the 3rd. I don't mean to be absurd or act like a nerd, but word on the strength of the do-rag. Oh, shit, he ain't lying. My man. Ah! Hey, yo, it's them. Chill. Hey, yo, what it do? You handling or what, honey lumps?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's on. It's so on. Ain't no off switch. You gotta get up out of me ASAP, Daddy.
Hey, yo, stop the boucher, shorty doo-wop. What's your location?
I'm in your hood on the strip. You'll see us. You know my truck. Let me tell you, Lil Africa don't play with it. Shit is official tissue.
Let's go. Damn. What is that? Damn. He ain't say they was this bad.
Listen, TT, I got 3 baseball cards. 20,000 apiece. On it. We need to talk some business right now. We got a few things in the trunk, but that's lady stuff. We keep that, you know, bags and shades and all that. But let's go on a real mission right now. What's up? You down?
It's so fucking good to see you, Max. But I know you married to the game. You gotta make time for your girl, Max. Let me in. I don't need your money. I want you. I got my own money. Duh. Let me take a picture of you, Max. So every time I miss you, I can look at it and feel close to you.
Okay, but no autographs. You know I don't care about the public.
You stupid. You always playing. I guess you're never gonna be serious about nothing but your hustle, huh? Anyway, say cheese.
Damn, Dee Dee, you smell so good. That's that Gucci Rush. Yeah, I miss that.
I got an idea. Why don't you roll with me to my crib? I want to switch it up. Let's grab something to eat. My treat.
Shoot, what can I say? I definitely can't say no to that. Say less. Let's make it happen, shorty. Baby, I'll make a quick run. Go get changed. By the time you're ready, I should be pulling up.
No, no, no. I want you to come with me now, baby. Stop playing with me, Max.
Nah, I got moves to make. I said I'll see you soon. Don't start the bullshit, Didi.
Shoot! I hate this shit. Ooh!
I got other things to handle. I ain't got time to be playing games with thirsty chicks, feel me? You can't think with your little head right now. You gotta use your big head. Big head locked in. I'm heading home to get some sleep so I can wake up tomorrow and get it in, you heard?